In this video we'll work with Seaborn. So we'll load dataset here. So we'll be loading the inbuilt dataset Titanic. So there are several other inbuilt dataset like Iris, this Titanic. So we can either use this inbuilt dataset or we can use the Pandas Dataframe. So Seaborn is a part of PY dataset. So we can use Pandas data structure also. So we will use the pandas by importing pandas as PD, and let's import matplotlib .py plot as PLT, and we'll import our Seaborn as SNS. So SNS.set. So we'll put it inside a variable. Let's name it as Titanic. Titanic equals SNS dot load dataset Titanic. So let's see the columns and rows of this Titanic. So I am going to make Titanic dot head, and let's see the 10 values. So let me increase this so you can see the values, row and column. So you can see the columns over here. So the others are the rows. So I am going to make now the swarm plot, sns.swarm plot, and let's put the x-axis as sex of the person, and let's put the y-axis as age, and now I am going to put the data as Titanic. So let's run it. You will see the plot. So see the plot, you have to use the pane and you have to tick here the plots. Okay, so you will see the plot like this over here. So here the output is being shown. You can see the x-axis, y-axis is age. So you can see the persons in the plotting. So we can also use the Pandas data frame. So we'll load a data frame. So before that I am going to comment this line. So let me make a df variable data frame pd dot read underscore csv. So we can use our custom CSV. So I have a CSV name admission dot CSV inside the same folder as this file. So this file is in the desktop. So this folder is on, this file is in the desktop, both the files. So encoding we'll be using is encoding is equals windows -1252. Now let's see the top 10 values of this also. df dot head 10 values. So you will see here the values. So here I am going to use the strip plot because in the above example we have used the swarm plot. So you can see here the values here inside the admission.csv. So we have some CGPA score, a GRE score and TOEFL score, chance of admission, like these are the columns. So let me make the strip plot now. Strip plot. Here I am going to use the x-axis as the GRE scores and y-axis as the TOEFL scores, and here the data is df. In the above example I have made the data as Titanic. So here we have the Pandas data frame. So here the output will be shown for the strip plot. So this kind of category the strip plotting is best. So you can see here the GRE scores, the TOEFL scores and the plotting.